In this video, I'll show you how to upload phrases within Copilot Studio. Now, just to give you a context, I will open Copilot Studio, and within Copilot Studio, I will navigate to the agent which I have created. So there are a couple of agents, Philadelphia bot and Greek dental services. Now, if I go into Greek dental services under topics, you will find a inbuilt topic named as greeting. So if I click on greetings, here you will see the list of uh, the trigger and the message and all topics. And then here in phrases, you will see this phrases over here. So change the trigger. So here the phrases means start the topic when the agent receives a message matching the topic's trigger phrases. Now, as you see over here, there are like a lot of phrases over here. So if I click on edit, I have created a lot of phrases over here, right? Now, what I'm going to show you is how to upload a content if you have many phrases. So here I have just couple of test phrases, but I'll show you how to upload that phrases if it is more than one, two, or maybe around 30, 40. So uh, first, before we even go into all this concept, I have this Copilot Studio, Greek Copilot Studio. Now, if I go into the settings, now Greek Dental Services Copilot. Now, here this is an important thing to note. The Greek Dental Service Copilot or the agent is using a classic mode. So, in classic mode, it is basically how the agent interact with the people. Now, classic means it uses the topic you build to respond to trigger phrases. Rather than using generative, I'm using classic for Greek dental. And that's why you see the topic named as greeting. So you saw the topic named as greeting, and it will allow you to add that phrases. Now I have a similar bot, Philadelphia bot. Here I'm using generative AI. Okay, yeah, I'm using generative way through which agent interact with people. Now, if you have a copilot which interact in that fashion, now for that specific bot, if you go into topics and if you go into the greeting over here, here you will see it is bit different. Now the trigger, it says by agent, and now here if I edit it, here you will see that to start learning the agent needs 5 to 10 short trigger phrases. Okay, so this is a bit of different interface because trigger is by agent, and in the Greek over here is like trigger is by phrases edit, right? So you need to understand that there might be a bit of different interface if you're using a classic and a generative AI. Okay, now how do we start adding phrases? Now, in order to add a phrase, so first let's pick up this Philadelphia bot. Now, here you have an option to add phrases. Okay, so there are already by default different phrases added. So I can just first click on delete and just make it clean. Now, there are no phrases added over here. Now, if I want to type in the phrase, I will go ahead and type in. So I'll type in hello. So this is the first phrase which I have added. Now, I have already downloaded a set of phrases related to hello. So I will just go ahead and show you that list. So this is the list of phrases. Okay. Now I will just copy this and I will start adding. So I have an option. So I'll just type in one, press enter, and then it will get added. So this is one way to add. Second way to add is if you just type in and it says press shift enter. So I'll press shift enter and then I will add another item and then I will add it over here. So I have added five of them. Okay. So you can add individually or you can just press shift enter and you can add in bulk. But what if you have more than 20 or 30 items? You can go ahead and add it manually, but there is another way. Now here you can upload a file. Now before you even upload a file, let's take the format in which it accepts the data. Now, if I click on upload a file, and if I click to browse, now there are two modes, append and replace. Now, append, what it will do, it will append the value to the existing phrases. Replace means it will just replace the value to the existing phrases. Now, there are multiple options. You can click to browse. The format which it supports is text file. So as you see over here, it's a text file. Now, we don't know how that format will look like. So it is better you just download it first. So I'm downloading the text file, and let me open this, and this is how the format will look like. Okay, so we have already added 5 of them. Now if we want to add more, then I already have copied some of the way through which you can say hello. Okay, so I'll just copy this over here and paste it, and maybe I'll add a couple of more. And as you see over here, I have copied some of the duplicate values as well. Now if you see here, this one, this one. Okay, so it's a bit duplicate, but let's see whether it accepts the duplicate value or not. Okay, so I'll just copy this, and now I'll go ahead and upload a file, click to browse, downloads, and the text file. Now once you upload a file, it will show you what all it contains. So as you see over here, these are the phrases which we have added. Now it is in different language. Now as you see, it has accepted the duplicate as well. So we have this couple of duplicate, and also it will show you the file size. You have an option to append or replace. Okay, now I'll just click on add, and then once you do that, you will find this item over here. Now if you read this content, it says, please teach the agent different ways. Someone might ask about this topic. Natural language understanding helps identify a topic based on meaning and exact word. So if you have multiple trigger phrases, you have an option to add it individually, or you can add multiple values just by pressing shift enter and start adding the value. And you can also upload a file using the upload a file option. So that's it, folks. This is how you basically upload contents. Thanks for watching.